Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. If you'd like to continue watching all things and everything hair related, go ahead and click that subscription button if you have not. And if you'd like to be notified every time I upload, go ahead and click the notification bell after you've subscribed. And in today's video, this wig that I'm wearing is from BeautyForever hair. I will be doing a quick, easy, under 20-minute glueless install, as well as showing you how I define the hair, how I flatten the top without using a hot tool, which is actually the first for me. And I would like to come out and say I never needed a hot tool in the first place. Like, it's just so crazy what water can do to curly hair. But enough of me rambling. This wig is their 20-inch Malaysian Curly wig in 150 density. It is a lace frontal unit, so it is a 13x4 lace frontal, and the rest of the back is wefts. And I love this unit. It fits perfectly to my head. I most definitely will be doing a review video, so stay tuned for that and keep on the lookout for it. It will probably be like 2 videos after this one. So without further ado, I will go ahead and start the video. But before I get into it, do not forget to go ahead and go to the description box if you'd like to purchase the unit off rip. And y'all know I be repping BeautyForever. Like, their hair is amazing, quality is still amazing, the curls only just get better and better, and I'm just loving it. So if you'd like to purchase their unit, this unit that I'm wearing, the link will be in the description box below for you to do so. Let's jump into the video. So what we're gonna use is Got To Be Glue gel and my toothbrush to do the glueless portion of this video. So what makes it glueless is actually the Got To Be glued, as well as the band in the back of the wig that ensures that the lace at the front is flat and not all gathered up. So this method is where I just use my toothbrush and form the edges on this unit, just like your natural hair. When you use any type of gel, Eco Styler, or even Extreme Hold Gel, what it does is just keep your hair nice, flat, and in place. And that's exactly what it does. And to dry it down, you know, usually you put on a scarf. I use a blow dryer, and this really helps in quickly drying it down, making this install one of the quickest things you could do for a wig. Whenever I find that I'm seeing lighter patches of lace, I do go in with foundation on a beauty blender, and I'm just gonna continue doing my edges. And you guys, it's honestly just a look and learn type thing. Once you are following every single step that I do while looking, you'll definitely get the hang of doing edges. So let's continue. right now. We got Cantu leave-in, that Jamaican black castor oil, I think, and water. And I'm going to just spray that on the top part of the hair just to flatten it. This time I'm just trying something different without using the hot comb unless I need to. And I'm gonna obviously like run it on the curls that have been dried so I can get it nice and wet and moisturized. So I'm gonna just keep doing this all the way up until I get to this part of the side part. So just keep on watching. Is pretty much it for this tutorial. I've completed my baby hairs and pretty much just ran through how I flattened the top. This time I did not use any hot comb. I used a spray bottle only, and it's as flat as if I used a hot comb. So I love that for her. I didn't know I could do that, but now I do. So now I won't have to be using my hot comb too much on curly hair. So less of heat damage per se when it comes onto curly hair is good for making sure that your wigs last long. And I just love this. I love the side part. I love everything that is giving. I'm probably gonna have to cover these tracks in the back, but so far so good. Like, I actually like this a lot. I really think that it's a easy unit to work with. This was super easy to install. It took about literally, how long did it take? Oh, I gotta spray this down. It took about 13 minutes to do everything. So I really think that's really good for how much time I actually spent on doing my hair, and I love it. The curls are gorgeous as per usual. You know, BeautyForever never plays when it comes on to their curls, honey. They always have some really nice cute curls, and this is 20 inches like I said in the beginning of the video. If you'd like to see the review portion for this hair, it definitely will be up. So stay tuned for that. And if you'd also like to purchase the wig and any other wigs from BeautyForever, their link will be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.